Three! Mga mahal kong magulang at tumatayong magulang, ito yung pangarap nila na kaya nila, na dapat nilang abutin at nandyan kayo palaging susuporta sa kanila. Go! To all of you, congratulations at mabuhay po kayo lahat.
Thank you very much, sir, for the insightful message you imparted this afternoon. Your words will surely guide our graduates. And of course, people are always struck by your ideal leadership and many love you for being a poet. Magaling pong tumula si sir. Sayang hindi tayo nabigyan ng sample. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Mariano U. Soriano Jr., Cecil 6. A big round of applause.